Hi friends, welcome. One thing that I try to really embrace in my life is keeping things simple. So today I'm going to share with you some of the ways that I keep my life simple, live mindfully, and also incorporate minimalism. I really feel best when I'm living just simply. It gives me a sense of peace of mind and calm. So I hope that sharing these tips with you, you can use them and also find joy in them as well. Turn off all unnecessary notifications on your devices. So turning off notifications on your phone, your iPad, and even your computer. Notifications can become very disruptive in our daily lives, and they can pull us away from being present in the moment. By just eliminating some of the notifications, this really helps to live a simpler life by reducing the amount of information that is coming at us daily. Doing one thing at a time. So I know that we as a society love to multitask. I've noticed that whether I'm just giving my undivided attention to my daughter or my husband or work at hand, I'm more present and I get more done. I'm actually more productive than when I try to multitask. List 3 top things that you want to accomplish for the day. I used to be a giant to-do list kind of person, but what I found was I could never achieve everything on the giant to-do list. And then by the end of the day, I was really just discouraged because I only tackled a few items. By just focusing on the 3 most important things that I need to accomplish for that day, I actually get more done this way, and I feel good about myself. Reuse and repurpose. I try to reuse and repurpose as many items as I can. This eliminates waste, and it also helps me live more mindfully and looking at objects and seeing where I can repurpose them in other ways. And it also helps with minimalism because I'm reducing the amount of things that I bring into my house and consume. I am a huge fan of mason jars, so I reuse those a lot. I use them for drinking, for storage, I use it to save things. I use and repurpose mason jars like nobody's business. I also have a hobby of refurbishing and upscaling furniture. So taking old furniture, either that I've had or if I find something great at a yard sale or thrift store, and I will chalk paint it, add new hardware, and kind of give it a new life. Declutter and organize. So even though I'm a minimalist, it is pretty amazing how much items find their way into my home. So I declutter probably once every couple of months, just getting rid of, even if it's just a few items of clothing or old books that I don't read anymore, and just donate those. And then I also love to organize and keep things organized. This really gives me a sense of like calm and peace when I know where everything's at and it's not just kind of in chaos. What are some of the things that you do that help you simplify your life and live minimally? Please share some comments below. I find it very interesting, and maybe I'll adopt some of yours too. And also, if you guys enjoy these videos, please subscribe. It really helps my little channel grow. And like this video if you like simplifying and living minimally. Simplifying your space in your home. Now, this is really a personal choice depending on how you like to decorate. I find it very comforting to just have simplistic decorations. So one picture on a table, one candle, a vase of fresh flowers. I find that the simpler my decor is, the calmer my mind is. Multi-use products. I make a lot of my own household cleaning items, so I use vinegar and alcohol, cornstarch, sometimes baking soda, and I will mix up my own window cleaner, all-purpose cleaner, and dusting spray. But even if you can just buy a multi-surface cleaner, it really helps eliminate and minimize products that you're using and purchasing. Also things like Dr. Bonner soap, it has 18 uses in the bottle, so you can use it for cleaning, laundry, hand soap, body soap, shampoo. Dr. Bonner's is fantastic. Having a morning routine really helps just eliminate decisions that we don't need to make anymore. I love my morning routine. It has brought me so much joy over the years. And, by just carving out and making time for my well-being emotionally, physically, and mentally every day really just makes me a more relaxed, happier person. Enjoy the day. So do things that you enjoy and have fun with it. All work and no play makes us very stressed out and overwhelmed. So taking time to just recharge and rejuvenate by enjoying life makes a huge difference. Thanks so much for watching today, you guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and check out some of these other videos you might enjoy as well.